Welcome students to your channel pariksha.com. Easy to learn, easy to understand. I am Indranil and today I am going to discuss about ISRO Civil 2018 previous year paper and detailed solution. This video consists of 3 technical questions and this is the last part of this video segment which is ISRO Civil 2018 previous year paper. Before starting my video, I would like to request all of you please subscribe my channel and do share and give your valuable feedback in the comment section. वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले और एक बात आप सभी को हम बताना चाहेंगे कि इस वीडियो सेक्शन का जो प्रीवियस वीडियोस है वो आप लोगों को डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं बिना किसी इंतज़ार के। In the first question says that a trapezoidal channel has a bottom width of 6 meter and side slope of 1:1. One is horizontal and one is vertical. Okay. The depth of flow is 1.5 meter at a discharge of 15 cubic meter per second. The hydraulic radius and hydraulic average depth of flow respectively are. In this question, we need to evaluate the hydraulic radius and hydraulic average depth of flow. Okay. The diagram of this problem will be look like this. It is a trapezoidal channel. Okay. In this trapezoidal channel says that bottom width is 6 meter. So that means this dimension is which is 6 meter. Okay, and the height, depth of flow, that is y equals to 1.5 meter, that is given. Now side slope given which is one horizontal and one vertical. Okay, so we need to evaluate the hydraulic radius and hydraulic depth. What we know that hydraulic radius r equals to a by p. So first of all we need to calculate the area of that particular trapezoidal section and the perimeter of that particular trapezoidal section. And second number is hydraulic depth, that is denoted as d. It is the ratio of area to t. Okay. So then we need to evaluate hydraulic radius and hydraulic depth. Area of that particular channel will be half into bottom width which is 6 plus top width which is this portion 6, this portion 1.5. So top width will be this portion plus this portion into 2. That means 6 plus 6 into 1.5 into 2 which is 9 into depth which is 1.5. So the area of the trapezoidal section is 11.25 meter square. Okay. Now we need to evaluate the P which is weighted perimeter. P equals to 6 plus 2 into 2.12. How we have calculated 2.12? In this section, the depth of flow as we know 1.5 and what is the length of that particular section which is 1.5. Okay, so easily we can calculate this particular segment which is 2.12. So perimeter 6 plus 2 into 2.12 which is 10.24 meter square. So hydraulic radius r will be equals to a by p. By calculation the answer will be 1.098 meter. And what will be the hydraulic depth? D equals to a by t. Okay, so which is 1.25 meter. So the correct option will be option number A will be the right answer, which is 1.098 meter and 1.25 meter. Proceeding to the next question. If 1000 grams of sand is sieved through 4.75 millimeter, 2.36 mm, 1.18 mm, 600 micron, 300 micron and 150 micron standard sieves, and the weights retained are 0 grams, 100 grams, 150 grams, 200 grams, 350 grams and 200 grams respectively. We need to calculate the fineness modulus of the sand. Okay, so what is the formula for calculation of fineness modulus? The calculation of fineness modulus, the formula that we are using, which is percentage cumulative weight to 100. Okay, so percentage cumulative weight to 100 will be the fineness modulus. In this question, sieve sizes are given and respective weight retained and given. So now we need to calculate the cumulative weight retained. Okay, cumulative weight retained, then we need to calculate percentage cumulative weight retained. Okay, so by this means the percentage cumulative weight retained will be 260 by 100. The correct option will be here option number B, which is 2.60. Okay. In the last question of this video segment, an ISRO Civil 2018 paper, which is a soil sample is partially saturated, its natural moisture content was found to be 22%. And bulk density 2 gram per cubic centimeter. If the specific gravity of the solid particles is 2.65 and the density of water is 1 gram per cc, the void ratio of the sample will be, we need to calculate the E of this particular problem, which is void ratio. What are the terms are given? W is given, which is 0.22. Okay, W is denoted at natural moisture content, and key bulk density is given, which is 2 gram per cc, and the another terms are given, which is G, that is specific gravity of soil solids, which is 2.65, and gamma rho, as we know, which is 1 gram per cc. Here we need to evaluate the E. As we know, the bulk density, the formula for gamma bulk, which is G plus SE into gamma W to the 1 plus C. What are the terms that we know? The terms that we know, G is given, which is 2.65. Okay, S, for S, what will be? AC equals to W into G, as we know. So that means AC can be calculated from the equation, which is Wg equal to AC. Okay, now gamma W, the value of gamma W is 1 gram per cc, and gamma bulk is given. Now easily we can calculate what is the value of E, that is void ratio. By calculating, the value of void ratio will be, which is 0.6165. The B, option number B will be the right answer. Okay. सो आज के लिए इतना ही। इसरो सिविल 2018 पेपर आज ख़त्म हो गया। अगर मेरा ये वीडियो आप सभी को अच्छा लगा देन प्लीज़ लाइक, कमेंट एंड सब्सक्राइब एंड share your valuable comment. Thank you. Stay tuned with us.